Alright class, welcome back. Of course you remember that my name is Mr. Putnam, and we're here today to continue our lesson on probability. And to help us with our lesson on probability, we're going to use something that most people are very familiar with, and that is the process of gambling. Now when most people go to Vegas, they make bets on things they think are fun. They don't really know the mathematics behind what they're doing. So here today, I'm going to help you understand some of that. Now the game today we're going to focus on is that of roulette. Now roulette is a very simple game. It's basically just a very large wheel with a bunch of numbered slots on it, and a ball is dropped, and eventually it settles into one of those numbered slots. Now there's actually 37 numbers on a roulette wheel comprised of 0 through 36. Now the 0 is a special number because it's separate from the others. It's usually a green number and not contained within the red, black commonly bet on. Now as far as that is concerned, the numbers 1 through 36, those are red or black, which is a very common bet used in Vegas on roulette. Now as for which bet is better, they're very different. So let's start with if you wanted to bet on a single number. If you wanted to bet on one number, say the number 17, well, there's 37 total numbers, so you would have a 1 in 37 chance of landing on your number. Now as far as that's concerned, that would mean if you put down $10 on the number 37, you would expect to get back $370. But the casino, they're trying to make money, so they don't give you 37 to 1 odds. They actually only give you 36 to 1. So instead of getting back $370, you get back $360, which is still a lot of money to most people who just put down a $10 bet. So the casino is still going to make $10, even if you win. Now let's look at a different one. Let's look if you went red versus black. Okay? Now it's usually an easier bet to hit because there's many more choices of red versus black. So if we wanted to say pick red, well, 18 out of these 36 are red, but actually 18 of them overall out of 37 is really the odds that we're playing, because 18 numbers are red, there's 37 total. That means 18 over 37 is our actual odds of winning. Now if we put down, again, $10 on that 18 out of 37 bet, we would expect to get back $20.56. Now that doesn't seem like that much money, but we're more than doubling if we go straight off the odds. However, the casino doesn't actually give us that strict odds. They only give us 2 to 1, or 18 out of 36. Which means we only get back $20. So the casino, they still come out ahead, 56 cents. And again, both of these times, that's actually if we win. So if we lose, they're taking our money in completion. Now, the obvious question becomes, which bet should I make? Well, the real question then is, why are you there to gamble? Are you there just to have fun and enjoy the experience? Well, if that's the case, then I would make a red versus black decision. And that really becomes a personal preference. So if you want to be there for a while, enjoy the casino, talk with friends, gamble a little bit, but are not really interested in losing a lot of money, well, then I would do red versus black. Because over time, you've got a lot more chances of hitting your bet and getting money back. Now you're not going to get much money back, but you will have more chances to win. Now, if you're there, as most people are, to simply make money, then the actual number bet is a much better choice, because it's a much bigger payout, although again, a much bigger chance of loss. So, if you were to pick a number, as we should say 17, and that number comes up early, well then you've won. You get your $360, and you got to cash out immediately. That's the biggest thing. Is if you pick that number and it hits, you got to cash out immediately, or you're going to lose all your money back and negate the fact that you won. So the next time you go to Vegas, pick yourself out a good number and have a winner.